at the movies. About to see Inside Out today. Inside Out. Inside. Look at that. Is that something from like what's it called? Oh, Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. I'm getting me this strawberry pasta and a toothpick gum. Cause I haven't eaten lunch.
That'll take about 7-ish minutes. Is that okay?
What?
Give me a water, please.
A water? Oh. I think my next favorite character is gonna be probably Anxiety. Because my last favorite character was probably
What?
I don't know, Joy. Probably Joy. My next favorite is gonna be Anxiety. I'm gonna take videos though. So,